Welcome back to my channel. In the previous episode we learned some chords. In this episode we'll learn some more chords, we'll learn some chord progressions, and we are going to learn some strumming patterns. Let's learn the D major or the D chord. The D chord has the second finger on the second fret of the first string. The third finger is on the third fret of the second string, and the first finger is on the second fret of the third string. You can play the fourth string open. Even if you play the fifth string, no problem, still the D major. Do not play the sixth string. Now let's discuss an interesting thing about the major and the minor chords. What is the difference? The sound, basically, of course, the way they are made up, but we'll discuss that some other time. For now, just listen to the sound of this D major, because you know the D major chord as well as the minor chord. So just compare the sound. It is often said that the major chords have a more happy feel to them, and the minor chords have a more sad feel to them. It's too simplistic to say so, but it is true in fact. So just listen to the sound and you decide for yourself. This is the D major. Now the D minor. I'm going to play the major and the minor, okay, alternating after a few beats, so every 4 beats. So here it is. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 D minor, D minor. You be the judge. In the previous episode we had played a chord progression with C, A minor, F and G. We had played it all downstrokes, which means we were picking it all down, and we were playing picking it on the numbered beats, which is 1 2 3 4. all right, so this is how it went. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then repeat. Let's do another one. This one has D minor, then A minor, D minor again, and then G. All right, we'll do it the same way. 1 2 3 4. all right, 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Next chord progression has G, D, E minor, and then D again. Right, we're playing it similarly. We're playing all 1 2 3 4 all downstrokes, and as discussed earlier, there are numerous ways to hold the same chord. For example, you can hold the G major chord like this or like this. For now, stick with the one that suits you better, or with the one with the one you are more comfortable with, but in time practice the others also, because there are benefits to it. I will keep changing. All right, let's play this. 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So these were some of the chord progressions. Let's now learn about the strumming patterns. So far we have only done the down, 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 down. There you can also upstroke on the chords. All right, so in between the numbers, you can, exactly in between, you can put an and. All right, for example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 All right. Now the first progression, the strum pattern this time is 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right, so just playing the C, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let's play the entire progression. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 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 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The next pattern, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, let's play the same progression again with this strum pattern. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 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 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Next strum pattern is 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, like this. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, let's play. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 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 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, so practice this various strum patterns with various progressions. We'll play the various strum patterns now in the next progression, which is D minor, A minor, D minor, G. So we have already played the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again. 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's play 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So here it is. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 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 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Let's play 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 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 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Next progression is G, D, E minor and B again. The strum pattern is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. Next strum pattern is 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 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 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. The next one is 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 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 4 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Thank you so much for watching. Do keep practicing. Also share these videos with others who want to learn the guitar. and also stay home, stay safe, and practice a lot. See you again next week.